Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. So some exciting news happening tomorrow. This game will take place at 1 PM tomorrow. I am going to schedule it as well as a premiere, which therefore means that I will be able to talk to you in chat as the video takes place. And also, no one will be able to skip the video as well. They will have to watch it in either live time, or if you join a little bit later on, you will be able to watch it in your own time as well. So the way that the game will take place at 1 PM tomorrow, well maybe just after I've said hello to you all, there will be 5 commemorative coins featured on the screen. It really is simple. The first person to comment the exact mintage figures of each of those 5 coins will get their hands on the 2022 Platinum Jubilee 50p coin featuring Her Majesty on horseback, just like the 1953 coronation crown. Again, this particular 50p coin was never released for circulation. However, the exact same design on the front with the number 70, with the crowned royal cipher, was released for circulation. But again, on the reverse side of that coin, it does feature the 5th portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jodie Clark. So get ready for 1 PM tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be fun and exciting. I am trying to mix the games up a little bit, and again, keeping it fun and exciting for you all. I'm sure a lot of you will have those coin albums at the ready at 1 PM tomorrow, trying to get that head start. And again, I'm sure somebody will be able to get all 5 right super quickly. As always, if you do have any game suggestions for the channel, please do hit them there in the comments section below. And you never know, your game may be featured on the channel very shortly. Again, if you do have any other questions or queries or want to see any coins valued, please do drop them below. Plenty of videos coming up today. And again, I really am excited for this one. 1 PM UK time tomorrow. We're going to get ourselves another winner on the channel. That's going to be really nice, as on Monday we will be doing the Young Coin Collectors giveaway, followed by the huge monthly giveaway on the 31st of the month. Have a lovely day in the sun, everyone. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.